everyone. So I'm walking to school right now. I just wanted to show you all the pretty nature and stuff. Isn't that so pretty? Look at all the trees. Look how pretty it is outside. This is my outfit today. So cute. It's actually kind of cold outside, but I kind of like it.